Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ash. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
Kanta sa Rishka.
Sige.
Happy.
Become five.
Ah. Nag-wish ka, Ash? Wala kang wish?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ash. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Chug chug chug. Happy birthday to you. Chug chug chug. Happy birthday to you. Unahin mo ng 5. Sige. Blow na, blow. Become 5. Blow. Yay!
You can do it. My gosh. It's your gift, so you need to open it.
What? It's for school.
Wow, nice.
Wow. Okay, another one. Here, you rip it right here. You rip it. Rip it right here. Just rip it. It's okay. It's just a plastic. Use
Go,
all
go,
your
go, go.
energy.
Wow. Uy, for school.
Ready for school na si Andrea.
Wow, nice one.
Are you ready for school, Ashleigh? Okay. Here, you have to stand up. Maybe you have to stand up for this one. Here.
Master Ash is so slow.
Wow! Projection painting. You don't even know what it is yet. What's that? What is it? Wow! What can you do with it? Ah! I know. Happy birthday. Oh, this is the thing, the empty paper where you can. This one is. Wait, I'm gonna. I'm drawing projector. Oh look, why don't you sit? Sticker.
Ganda naman yan.
And then where does
So nice.
this one? No, baliktad. And then, what is this battery? Does he use battery? It's not plugged in. Oh, yeah, it's battery there. Oh, right here. What does it use? Kala mo, ini.
Lish, imong buhok ko, di siya kakita.
There's a disc that goes inside here, and then you will reflect on the paper. Oh. Open it. Here.
Ang dami mo namang gifts. Wow! Wow, cut! Earring.
Cat, and the cake is dog. Your cake is a shih tzu.
You remember Chanel?
A lot of things happen.
Wow, ganda naman mga gift mo. Oy.
cherries.
Draw it, let's draw it.
Let's draw it.
Why is it the same like mine? My
Pink marker
Peppa
design.
Pig. My Peppa.
If it didn't turn on, then maybe the battery did. Do not expect anything good from you.
Well, I'm just gonna change the place so that it's a bit.
Red.
Okay, let's do it. Let's
What
do
will
it.
I draw with the color red?
Try anything.
I will draw.
Show me your bag, Ashleya.
Oh, I know what to draw.
Where's your bag? There it is.
I want to try
Cutie.
Hmm? There we go cover there.
Oh, it's a
Projection painting.
I love that.
You don't know what that is.
You don't even know what it is yet. What's that?
What's this?
Wow.
What is it blue?
What can you do with it?
Pepper.
It's a projection painting. So, I know. Open. I already
Sige.
started.
Open it.
I'm gonna make sure na this is
What's
for
that,
you.
Ann? Open it.
Halo na.
Open it.
I can't.
You can do it. My gosh.
Pati.
Which one is yours?
Water bottle.
What? It's for school.
Wow, nice.
Wow.
Done? Okay, another one. Here, you rip it right here. You rip it. Rip it right here. Just rip it. It's okay. It's just a plastic. Use all your energy.